codeine cough syrup is causing a plague of addiction across Nigeria.
This thing is a serious issue. It is biting everybody. It is going from one home to another. If you think you are safe, you are not safe.
Those hooked risk organ failure and even descent into madness.
He's
shouting.
He's screaming.
He's
still in withdrawal syndrome now. He's still having his withdrawal issue now.
Addicts are being clapped in chains because syrup has turned them into thugs.
I don't want you to get close to him.
This is what cough syrup does.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll ever get used to this.
I weep for this nation because they don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know what they are taking.
Africa Eye goes undercover, exposing the crooks and professionals putting industrial quantities of syrup on Nigeria's streets. We will take you into a criminal underworld where pharmaceutical company managers act like drug barons.